Hey there tech aficionados, today we're delving deep into the incredible world of agriculture machines. But here's the kicker, we have a surprise that will leave you craving more, so stay tuned and prepare to be amazed. This finely tuned contraption works wonders, effortlessly harvesting an entire field of crisp orange carrots. This colossal harvester machine can complete tons of sugar beets in just a short time. This machine, both shredding trees and ploughing the land simultaneously, operates with incredible efficiency and tidiness. This soil bed shaper, shaping the land after thorough ploughing, is a true precision instrument for farming. This tree-cutting machine swiftly transforms trees into manageable logs, a marvel of efficiency. This machine swiftly transfers each cookie onto trays in a fast-paced bakery product line. Let's watch how this machine's working. This tomato harvesting machine efficiently gathers a whole field of tomatoes, a farmer's dream come true. This machine can harvest up to 10 tons of barley in just 1 hour. These corn plants will be shredded before being delivered to livestock farms. Have you ever heard someone talk about this machine before? This grass compactor neatly arranges rows of grass, showcasing precision in farming efficiency. This machine, with its multiple fertilizer tubes neatly arranged in rows, ensures precise irrigation for crops. This water channel grass sweeper efficiently clears vegetation from the waterways, keeping them flowing smoothly. This dry grass dispenser ensures cows have a steady supply of feed in the trough, a smart feeding solution. Wow, I didn't know that how they gathered royal jelly before. This water trenching machine efficiently carves channels, shaping the water flow in a field. This ploughing machine turns the soil with ease, preparing it for the next season's crops. I'm sure that harvesting cilantro with this machine brings fresh, aromatic flavors to your table. This conveyor belt smoothly transports sugar beets into the warehouse. This tubelet flower head cutter is all about nurturing bulbs for the next season, a gardener's secret. Seeing this fish slicer in action is truly mesmerizing, turning a whole fish into delicate, mouth-watering slices. Harvesting an abundance of potatoes with this machine is like a golden treasure hunt in the fields. Well, that corn harvester sure knows how to have a corny time in the field. Watching this coconut peeling machine, I'm convinced it could even peel the shiners off an introvert in seconds. This assembly line wash and sort lily bulbs before packaging feels like they're giving the bulbs a spa day. Well, looks like this multitasking plow fertilizer combo is the ultimate farm-to-table device. This onion harvester is a game changer, effortlessly gathering onions from the field. This wheat harvester is like the conductor of a symphony, reaping fields of golden grains in harmony. This grass picker-upper makes lawn care look like a breeze, the ultimate tool for a lush yard. This machine mixing dry fertilizer seems to be creating a whirlwind of nutrients for the soil. Behold the incredible pesticide sprayer with a 45-meter reach, safeguarding crops with precision and efficiency. The massive irrigation system currently operating in the fields is truly impressive. This grass collector machine made the world's champion in the tidying up lawnmowers category. This roadside tree trimming machine has a knack for giving trees a fresh new haircut. This cattle manure cleaning machine makes barn management so much easier, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for the animals. Watch, this land excavator works so fast and effortlessly. This potato planter operates with impressive fluidity, planting large quantities of potatoes seamlessly. A true farming marvel. The corn harvester is like a magician, turning fields of corn into golden treasures with each pass. This speedy carrot harvester is a visual treat, swiftly gathering a bountiful harvest in no time. This land plower operates with smooth precision, making tilling the soil look effortless and rhythmic. Tulip flower head remover focuses on nurturing bulbs, ensuring a nutrient-rich harvest. This automated weeder is like a precise surgeon, swiftly and accurately removing unwanted growth. A grass cutter, turning greenery into animal feed. It's like nature's chef serving up farm-fresh meals. The arms of this wood-cutting machine chop down a tree into neat sections in just seconds. The root vegetable harvester efficiently gathers a bounty of sugar beets, a farm-fresh delight. This peanut harvester is like a treasure hunter, collecting nature's gems from the fields. Let's see how this machine does its job. Water channel grass cutter keeps the flow smooth and the fields tidy, nature and tech in harmony. This straw compressor turns piles of straw into compact bales, a farmer's efficient solution for storage. I think that this fertilizer mixer is a master chef, blending nutrients for a bountiful harvest. This grass compactor effortlessly aligns rows of grass, simplifying the farming landscape with precision. Equipped with 9 blades, this plough is like a titan of farming, turning vast fields with power and precision. This plant fiber harvester extracts prickly pear fibers with precision and care, a desert resource marvel. This potato harvester is a true tater treasure hunter, gathering spuds with efficiency and speed. This machine multitasks with finesse, ploughing and mulching the land in a time, a true farming marvel. Watching this person meticulously craft a fence is like witnessing an artist in the making. It's amazing, this machine can cut through anything in the blink of an eye. This lawnmower seems to glide across the field as if it were on a journey. This field manure spreader ensures even distribution, giving the soil the nutrients it craves for a fruitful harvest. Harvesting wheat fields with this massive machine is like a symphony of agriculture in action. This bread slicer transforms loaves into perfect slices, making every bite a delightful experience. This carrot harvester makes gathering these vibrant veggies from the field look like a breeze. Watch! Tulip bulb washing conveyor is like a spa day for flower bulbs, preparing them for their next journey. This grass compactor effortlessly transforms mounds of grass into compact blocks, a true agricultural efficiency. This 360-degree irrigation sprinkler showers the entire field with precision, quenching the thirst of every plant. Wow, this fish slicer creates paper-thin fish fillets, perfect for delicate seafood dishes that melt in your mouth. Harvesting root vegetables like a pro, this machine ensures bountiful harvests of hearty root crops. Hand harvesting blueberries is a labor of love, ensuring each berry is picked at its peak perfection. Trimming ornamental trees with this machine is like sculpting nature's artwork, a blend of precision and beauty. This grain harvester is like a symphony conductor, reaping a harmonious bounty of crops from the fields. Believe me, your garden will always be clean thanks to this machine. Shearing alpaca fleece is an art, creating soft and warm fibers for your cozy clothing. Have you ever seen this machine in your hometown before? Farmers nowadays are very smart to invent this machine. It helps them save a lot of time. This wood chipper machine turns logs into wood chips with remarkable efficiency and speed. And there you have it, the fascinating world of agriculture machines. If you're as captivated as we are, drop us a comment and smash that like button. And subscribe for more incredible farm tech content. Thanks for joining us on this journey.